They aren't plants. They aren't animals. They are a third kingdom of life that breathes like us. For decades, they were the weird side dish. Today, they are the main event in the world's most elite kitchens. Welcome to the fungal frontier where a single organism can taste like steak, lobster, or even chicken. But beneath the surface lies a secret network that connects the entire planet. Is this just a culinary trend? Or are we finally eating the most intelligent food on Earth? Scientists call it the Wood Wide Web, a massive underground network of mycelium that allows trees to talk. When you eat a mushroom, you're eating the fruit of a superintelligent system. This intelligence translates into a complex chemical profile that mirrors the flavor of meat. Mushrooms contain high levels of glutamate, the natural source of umami, the fifth taste that makes our brains crave protein. They are the only non-animal source of vitamin D, absorbing sunlight just like we do. In the culinary world, mushrooms are known as the umami bomb. When seared correctly, the Maillard reaction transforms their cell walls into a savory crust that rivals any steak. Chefs are now using lion's mane, a shaggy, white fungus to create crab cakes that fool even the toughest critics. It's not just about the taste. It's about the mouthfeel. The fibrous texture of mushrooms mimics muscle fibers perfectly. Dehydrate them, and they become a natural MSG. Rehydrate them, and they become a juicy protein sponge. In the battle for the future of protein, mushrooms have a secret advantage. They don't need a lab. While fake meat companies struggle with complex chemicals, mushrooms grow naturally into fillets in just a few days. This is mycelium meat, the zero-waste, carbon-negative solution to the world's hunger. Some startups are now weaving mycelium into leather bait and even whole-cut steaks that bleed beet juice. It is a multi-billion-dollar race to see who can mimic a cow Batera scientist with a syringe, or a fungus in a dark room. But what if your dinner could make you smarter? This is the rise of functional fungi. Lion's mane is the superstar. Studies suggest it stimulates nerve growth factor, helping the brain repair itself. From Rossi for stress to cordyceps for energy, we are moving from eating for calories to eating for cognitive performance. It's a biohacker's dream, a meal that fights inflammation while sharpening your focus. We are no longer just consuming calories. We are downloading the ancient wisdom of the forest. We are standing at the edge of a fungal revolution. Soon, your house, your clothes, and your steak will all come from the same source. It's a closed-loop system where nothing is wasted and everything is connected. The mushroom is the ultimate teacher. It reminds us that even in the dark, growth is possible. So, next time you bite into a mushroom, listen closely. You might just hear the forest talking back. Are you ready to join the kingdom of fungi? Let us know your favorite mushroom dish in the comments. And for more secrets from the kitchen of the future, hit that subscribe button. The mycelium is spreading.